Hello, my name is Mary Hawara, and for my MA 52 final project, I created a 3D model of the NASA Discovery Space Shuttle orbiter. My favorite part of this project was becoming really familiar with all the surface features, and the most difficult part was using the split-line feature since I ran into lots of rebuild errors. But seeing everything come together definitely made it all worth it. The fuselage of the main body consists of several boundary surfaces, and I created the orbital maneuvering system pods using loft and fill surfaces. All the details on the orbiter were made using the split-line feature. To build the wings and elevons, I used the loft base feature, and I also created many reference planes, which I used to define the locations of all the other parts that I built separately, such as the propulsion engines, the main and nose landing gears, and the vertical stabilizer. One of the moving parts in the model is the rudder and the vertical stabilizer, which can move only 30 degrees in each direction. Along with the rudder, the wheels and all the landing gears were assembled to be able to rotate. This motion study shows the kinematics of that feature. Lastly, I performed a simulation to observe the effects of high temperatures on the small propulsion engine, which results in lots of deformation as seen in the displacement and strain distributions. Here's a look at the final assembly. Thank you for watching.